In the arid expanse of Peru's Nazca Desert, an extraordinary mystery unfolds. Stretching across the landscape, the Nazca Lines captivate our imagination. These immense geoglyphs, etched into the soil, have puzzled archaeologists and intrigued adventurers for centuries. Created between 500 BCE and 500 CE, the Nazca Lines were meticulously crafted by ancient people. By removing reddish-brown pebbles from the desert floor, they revealed a contrasting yellow-gray subsoil, giving birth to these mesmerizing figures. The Nazca Lines encompass an astonishing variety of shapes and forms. Some are geometric patterns and straight lines that stretch for miles, while others take the form of animals and plants. Hummingbirds, spiders, fish, condors, herons, monkeys, lizards, and even humans come to life when observed from above. In recent years, the discovery of new figures has intensified our fascination with this ancient wonder. Utilizing drones, archaeologists have unearthed between 80 and 100 previously unknown glyphs. The belief persists that there are many more waiting to be revealed. The combined length of these lines exceeds a staggering 1,300 kilometers, while their collective area covers approximately 50 square kilometers. Astonishingly, these creations were executed with precision, the width of the lines consistently measuring between 30 and 180 centimeters. Recognizing their immense cultural value, the Nazca Lines were designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994. This acknowledgement serves as a testament to their enduring significance and the importance of preserving this remarkable testament to human ingenuity.